Hyundai Equus. This screen is not working. Sometime wake up, couple minutes and dead again. So to fix that, I think problem is in radio head unit processor. Need to make some repair in processor. To take out radio, you must from that side take out this, because it sits on these clips and it's need use some force, because this clips is quite tight and need quite a bit strong to take it out. I not take fully because here splits some way, but I'm not sure how. So normally I take out just like that and leave. There up is one screw and another screw with cross screwdriver. After you must remove this around the gear shift plastic. It's also on clips. Just drag it up and you little by little take out. After, open all screws from this gear shifter. After you remove this, open there is bolts. It's one bolt here in corner, another in another corner, in down. Remove that and you're gonna find 10 millimeters screws, one and another one in another corner, and you almost out radio. And one more thing I forgot to say, you must remove that frame around the radio. It also sits by 4 clips, no screws, nothing. One more thing, here up these two sometimes is no screw, so it's from factory. Sometimes is screw, sometimes is no screw, so I'm not sure how it depends which one factory makes, which one no. And here we have radio. No need to take it in apart and make some magic inside. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.